All right. Good morning. Just having some technical issues, but we're live. We're ready to go. 1 minute till 7 a.m. And yeah, let's see kind of what's going on. I'm looking at NUE popping up here right away. Just about to cross VWAP, as you can see. So this could be a potential as we get right into it this morning. Let's see if it NUE can hold above VWAP. So that could be pretty bullish if it does. So watching NUE right now, right up on the scanner. As you can see, it's above the point of control, above the VWAP. We're testing VWAP right now on the 1 minute chart. 5 is just crossing it as well. So let's see what can be done with NUWE as we get right into it this morning. Looking at 7 a.m. news as well. Let me know what you guys are watching. If you're tuning in, it's Jay here from Chart Club, and we're getting right into it this morning. Setting up my computer here. Still getting used to this whole streaming and trading kind of situation. So bear with me. So NUWE, it looks like it looks like it's pretty good here. It looks like it's holding VWAP. I might get into a position. We'll see kind of what it does here in the next little bit. Take it from there. So far, it looks like it's holding VWAP. This looks pretty bullish to me. I might take a small position here shortly. Looking to enter NWE. Sorry, NUWE. I just lost VWAP, so that's not looking too good. I haven't got in. It looks like it's holding though. It's kind of tricky at this point. It's really fighting this area. I'm gonna take a small stab here at $4. I'm getting in here at $4 on NUWE. And we'll see what happens. There's a small position on NUWE to start the day. I'm trying to play this VWAP bounce. It held above. We're up here. Let's see if it holds. Looking pretty good. Up 15 cents, 12 cents right now. I'm holding the position still. We're good. Looking for another push. Premarket highs at 467. I'm out here at 425. Out at 425. Out at 425 NWE. Good start to the day right away. We'll take the 25 cent move there on NUWE. Good start to the day. That's what I like to see. This probably has more space to run. I could see that. Another small pullback here. setting up a base, looking for more. Let's see if it can hold 415 for another leg up.
Yo, yo.
Hey, what's up? I'm just let me how do I get you on here? I think the audio is still running too. Okay.
Yeah, you started the stream all weird.
Yeah, it's all messed up. I got a good trade though here on NUWE. So we're in
Jeez.
on that. Let me see what to do.
Oh, you don't have the image either. So,
Yeah, what do you want me to do here? Okay. Let's go. I can pop you out here. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Let's do that. Got you. Yeah. All right. Let's see. What is the edit transform? It was 2x2.
You'd have to check the other one. Check yours.
Okay. Let's see what this is. Oh, okay. All right. Let me get the other one set up here. Sorry, guys, if you're tuning in. Just trying to get this all set up here. We'll be with you shortly. Let's do it, yeah. If you got in on the NUWE trade, good work. That's a good start. Okay, I think we should be good here. Let's probably yeah, I think you should be good. The only thing is need to set up your share your screen as well, and then I can pop you out there too. NUWE still running. Oh man, I maybe got out a little too early. Now at 442. That just looked nice setup above VWAP. clean. So this one, oh, okay. I need more screens. Need more screens. Okay. All right, Jose. What are you looking at, bro? See anything?
No, not yet.
I'm trying to see if I can get your scan. Your oh, I see what it is.
Why is my music coming through?
Yeah, I'm not too sure. I need to edit you in here. Let's see. Let's see if we can get. Yeah, your whole screen's showing. I can't see from here. What do we got? Your screen up right now? It's, I got your screen up here. Let's do this. Okay. I have to figure out how to set you up on my thing again. Hey. All right, guys, let's see what we can play. We got MGRX popping up on the scanner right now. Doesn't look too good on my end. DFNS is up to $88. Pretty crazy. Let's see.
The audio issue.
Studio mode. Oh, can't toggle to studio mode in dual output. Oh man, that's unfortunate. That's what it says here. I'm gonna have to figure this out after. All right, we'll figure out Jose's screen share after. We'll just continue streaming for now and look for the plays. We're here for trading anyways, so let's just kind of see what we can find for next play. Uh, so I'm liking this little pullback here at the point of control on NUWE. This could be another potential swing. I'm going to see what it does here, if it holds or not. It's also on the 1 minute chart. It is in between this 9 and 20. So something to be mindful there. Alrighty, let's let's see. It looks like this is coming actually on my Mumu. It has come back towards VWAP at 419 on Mumu. So let's see what it does here. As you can, I think you guys can see now here on Mumu, it is actually come back to. It has come back to VWAP and now bouncing clearly off of VWAP, as you can see on my Mumu. Actually add this to today's watch list, and we can kind of see exactly what's happening here. Make this a little bigger for you guys. Okay. I'm not going to get in at this point. I'm just going to watch it, but maybe after I'll jump back in. Sometimes I find trading view, because it's not getting level 2 data, the VWAP and EMA levels can be off. So I usually have them kind of next to each other. So it looks like what I'm seeing is a potential bounce here. So this is kind of what I'm looking at right now. There comes the bounce. So at this point of control, key area, the red line on my screen, let's see what it does. So you could have played, I guess, now it's looking pretty bullish here again. So you could have jumped back in the trade here at 420. Another 20-cent move. I'm going to wait though. It's really like, comes down to just finding these key areas and playing the move, and trying to keep your stop loss short, and kind of, getting in and out of the trade. That's really all it comes down to. Everything else is just noise. You get in, you get out. That's it. These kind of trades, sometimes these tickers will run, like we see with DFNS, but that doesn't happen always. And if you do catch that, good stuff. But like DFNS, it took 2-3 days and it ran. Right now it's trading at $84. But are you gonna hold these tickers overnight and swing them for 2-3 days? Probably not. Maybe a small position you will, but usually not the case. So just something to keep in mind. So right now, you can see it's the 9 EMA is starting to cross over the VWAP on 5-minute chart. Clearly at this point of control area on my 5-minute chart, as you can see as well. So it's finding some resistance at this level as well, which is the value area high, this dashed white line, and you can see it's respecting that. So if we scroll here, you can see that's the value area high on this volume profile, session volume profile, you can see it's respecting that, and it's come down. Now it's going to either bounce off this VWAP, and we see another push up, or it's going to come drop down. So this is kind of what I'm watching at this second right now. So we caught this move early around the VWAP. We caught this move earlier. Actually, it was around here where it's sniped out a VWAP, and we caught that move. There was nice volume, clear. So now let's see if we can catch another move on NUWE. So if you guys are tuning in, let me know where you're from in the chat. Give us a like if you kind of are trading the same kind of stuff. And yeah, let me know what you're looking at. So it looks like it might bounce off VWAP here. So it's coming back here, testing VWAP, and let's see if it holds. Right, we had a lot of selling pressure here, but it held. And so now let me see if it can bounce off VWAP. So this might be another opportunity to get in the trade. Let's see. So but now this looks a little bearish to me, so I will wait and see kind of what's happening. We are also seeing not much volume. On the lower here is a relative volume, and above that is the actual volume. So if we see a RVOL spike like this in red, that's good. If it's purple, not so good. So we can see it did not hold, and it has spiked quite lower. It's actually coming down heavy right now. Not sure why the 1 minute chart on TradingView is not updating, which is weird. Let's try to fix this situation. Let's move this to 3. TradingView is acting all weird this morning. Let's try to move this to. You guys can see the 5 minute chart. I'm not sure what happened with TradingView here. What I'm going to do is I'll pull up Mumu for you guys to see what's going on. Should see a bounce here. See if this is working yet. You know what? I might have to. Let's try restarting TradingView. Sorry about that. I just quickly restart TradingView. Having so much technical issues. Okay. We'll restart TradingView. You guys are seeing Mumu up on the screen right now. Let's quickly restart TradingView here. Let's see if that fixed the situation. All right. Looks like we're back in action. Okay. Cool. This is 3 minute. Okay, I think we're good now. Let's see what is happening with NUWE. MGRX just popped up on the scanner, 55 cents. I'm going to pass on that. I typically like to trade stocks 80 cents and above. Lower than that, I find, you're going to get a ton of issues getting in and out. So we're getting some breaking news here. HSCS. Not seeing anything crazy with that. MGRX popping up. I'm still just gonna watch NUWE for now. It is the leader of the pre-market session. So just watching NUWE for now. See if anything else picks up here. MGRX still at 59 bucks. Okay, so NUW looking to pop out here. Finding some resistance. I'm going to stay away from this till I see it get back above VWAP, and we might play it at that point. Other option is if it comes down to this 200 level on the 1 minute, I might take that bounce if it's there. So that's kind of what I'm watching right now. And that's pretty quiet so far this morning again. Slightly up for the day. Trying to see what happens. Yesterday, I gave away one and then gave away a bunch. Still green for the day, but kind of tough. pretty quiet right now. Let's see if we can get a bounce here. All right. Trying to see what I can find here. It's just too much friction right now for me to jump back in the trade, so I'm going to wait. I want to see if it can come back above VWAP, hold there, and then maybe we can have another push up. Let me know what you guys are seeing. You guys are seeing anything here? All right, so we're getting back towards this VWAP. Let's see if it can jump up and hold above VWAP. That could be our next entry. So here it is. Here's the pop above. Gonna see if it can sustain, and then I may be interested to jump back in. So I'm looking for another long on NUWE, but at this point still waiting. I need to see this hold, and we can see some volume coming in. So there's the retest. Come in here up on VWAP. We can see the retest. And let's see if it holds here or it's going to push right through. So it looks like it's pushing right through again, right? Didn't hold. Came right through. So that's not good. It's trying, but it's not necessarily holding like we would like. So have to wait. I'm going to wait again and see if it can come back above VWAP. I would have liked to see a hold above VWAP, maybe a retest, hold on the retest, volume coming in, and then when I'm going to jump in on the trade. Right now it looks like more downside action. So I'm just waiting. Outside of this, I'm not really seeing too much opportunity, so just waiting. If you're tuning in, let me know where you're from in the chat, what you're trading today, what you're looking at, how your day went yesterday. And if you're interested in trading with us, we do have a free Discord channel. You can join. Just sign up to chartclub.io and you can join the Discord channel. And we have a free trading journal that you can use to log your trades and all that stuff. We have a bunch of other stuff we're working on building, so stay tuned. But yeah, right now just got NUWE up on my scanner looking for some opportunities for the next move here. We traded this earlier at the open, just around 7 a.m. Got a nice little pop. Could have held on a little bit longer. Maybe could have made 40 cents instead of what, 25 cents or so. So it is what it is. So now looking to see if this is going to come back towards the $3 range, or on the 1 minute I'm looking around 390 range. I might be interested there. Pre-market lows sitting at 362. And we can see some clear downside action right now. And as you can see, the volume has tapered off clearly. So just waiting. STAK popping up on the scanner. STAK, let's have a peek over at STAK. So STAK making a nice push up here above point of control, the red line on my screen. Looking like it is finding maybe some resistance here at the higher level. Let's see, pre-market high sitting at 308. I'm just gonna watch this for now. Nice U shape here. Let's see if this can make a nice cup and handle. See a little bit of downside action and then push up. Potentially, it is close to VWAP, so let's see if it comes back to test VWAP as well, or if it holds above point of control here as well. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, good morning. All right, so let's see what it does here. STAK. We got some volume coming in, so that's looking all right. Let me see if this can do what it needs to do. And it looks like NUWE is actually coming back in play. It spiked down, and I'm looking at it on my other screen. It looks like it wants to come back above VWAP. It's trying its best, but it wicked down again. So not 100% too sure what the situation is with NUWE. It's trying to get back above VWAP. But you can see here, it's a clear downside action, right? We got lower highs all the way down, but now it's starting to make slightly upside action here. We can see slightly higher highs printing. So if you can see that right around here, very, very, very slight, but it is there. So let me see if it can come back above VWAP and hold here. If yes, might be interested. It is looking like it's a good. Might be a potential entry here. There's the pullback. Here's the VWAP pullback. Let me see if we can get back a VWAP pullback around 418. If we can, okay, looks like it's holding there. That was your hold, and 425, 424, 423. Let's see. I'm gonna take a push here at 424 on NUWE. I'm in at 424, taking a small position here at NUWE. Getting back in the trade. at 424. And let's see if it can hold this time or not. Might have been a little early on my entry, but we'll see if we can push up here. So we're in at 424. If you're following along, and I'm trying to see if this will give me the push up that I'm looking for. If not, under VWAP, I will be out. There it goes. There it goes. Let's see if we can get some more action here. Got up to 430. 427 right now. I'm trying to get above 435 and we'll be out for another quick little scalp. There's a huge wick up, but here's a huge downsell. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this. Let's see if it holds here. It's holding here. A huge wick. So it is very indecisive. Look at this action. Crazy. Huge wick again. Another wick down. It's just very wicky right now. If it gets to $4, I will get out of the trade. See if we can get back up. My trading view is acting very like delayed today, bro. Are you getting the same thing? It's like
On this
on,
stock, yes, it's
on
not moving.
just on
Oh
this.
no, it's not moving. It's not moving.
The stock is
I
moving
don't think
though.
it's.
I see it on my broker, but I don't see on trading view it's moving, but like not like as much as it should be. You get what I mean? Like I have to
It
super
looks the
zoom in.
same. It looks the same for me on IBKR.
Oh, it's like not moving much.
It's not moving. No,
I
I'll
see
look at
like
it on Trade Zero.
mm,
Let's see. Yeah, it's not moving. It's like not doing anything.
interesting. It's
Well, now it's moving.
now it's moving, right? I
Yeah,
see it on Mumu like it's like really getting a lot of like I see the movement. Maybe the chart action is a little bit cleaner there. I don't know. Like here, you gotta like zoom in just to really see what's going on. Anyways, we're still in the trade at 424. I'm holding it here. I feel like it will spike up, so I'm just gonna watch and see what happens. I'm waiting for that spike up. If it gets to $4, we're out of the trade. There's the push up.
oh,
That was a
yep,
nice
and
little
that's
push up, but not
oh my
enough.
God.
It's just like a little
Whoever's
spike.
holding DFNS is
Killing it.
laughing money
Who's
right
who?
now.
And it's at $96 now. How? You know
It
how?
it hit 107.
How though? How? This
This
was
thing
a
was worth
five.
a couple
It was like a
dollars.
$5 stock the other day. You know, just a
Yeah,
few
it was
days
worth a
ago.
couple dollars.
Yeah,
Like a couple days ago, like a week ago. Things worth 100. It was almost $100.
it's crazy.
95.85 right now.
So I'm looking bullish right
That's
now.
insane.
It looks pretty bullish right now. It looks like it made the base. So I'm feeling pretty confident. Let's see if it can hold here and for the next leg up. I'm feeling pretty confident it will. Let's see if it does. Need a push up here. It's finding this point of control at 425 is giving it some resistance. So it needs to break out of this. The 9 EMA is coming out But there it goes right back down. It's just so wicky, this stock, but it's slightly moving up in an upwards direction, as we can kind of see over here, right? So let's see if it can make a push. I'm still holding the trade at 424, slightly down right now. If it cannot hold $4, I'm out. But for now, we're in, and I feel like it will make a leg up shortly. We just need more volume to come in here. What's this? A little bit of news. Another slow day, huh? It's just been a slow week.
Well, I wouldn't call it slow. I knew he moved. We just
Yeah,
couldn't.
I caught a
You'd have
little
to
bit of
catch
it.
it from that early.
Yeah, I caught
Yeah,
a little bit of it.
exactly. So as long as you, well, yeah, they just moved again at
Right.
7:30, 7:40.
Okay, so the move is working against us. Let's see if it can push back up. This has been a very choppy
Just started like 7.
move so far. Still in the trade, still holding here. Under 4, we're out, but for now, still in the trade. Now it's looking pretty bearish here. Let's see if it can push up here. The volume is it needed to. It's been really like stuck in this area. Okay, let's see what happens here. If it makes another massive wick up, I might even just get out. Let's see. So chopping here, chopping here. Here's another push up, a little bit of a push up. See if we can get more buyers here. Volume coming in. Let's see. It's another little push up. I see the trend slightly going up, so let's see. We're still in the trade. I would like to see this above a buck 35. Still watching it. Still chopping around the same area. Needs to pull. It's like finding a lot of resistance here at this point of control level, which is sitting at 425. The red line on my chart. So it needs to push out of here. Pre-market high is sitting at 467. I, I believe if we can get out of this zone, we should see a nice push up. So just waiting for now. Jose, what do you see, bro? You see anything else right now on your?
I was watching STKH and STAK.
Yeah, SDAK is at 293 ish, or at least it
Well, it
was.
keeps trying to make higher highs.
Nothing else, hey?
The moment, not really. NUWE is the best one for the
For the
for the
morning.
morning so far. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the one we're in.
But I missed the move, so I'm not really trying to chase that at the moment because
Yeah,
it looks like it's starting to break down a bit. it's consolidating right now. It's
It
going
is.
where it
It
wants to
is.
go.
It is.
STAK just made a move. It's up, just broke 3, made a new high. Or
Yeah.
actually, no, sorry, reaching for a new high.
Yeah. It's TAK.
Its previous high so far on the day is 308. And it's at 301 right now. So it's been slowly climbing. It looks like it wants to touch that 308 again. So you
STAK.
have at least give yourself a range. SDAK, yeah, correct.
So I'm still in NUWE here. If you're tuning in, I got in at 424. I'm looking for a leg up.
I go 302,
It is finding resistance here at the point of control
303s.
on my chart, which
Yeah.
is the red line. As you can see, it's been kind of trying to break through this. So we do have some upward momentum. If you can see, it is slightly angling up. So I'm liking that. And we're just in the trade for now. Looking for a nice push here. I do feel when this is ready to go, it will go. But for now, just chilling. Chilling and waiting. Imagine this turned into like a DFNS. Wow. My goodness.
What?
I
Which
need
one?
one of those, you know?
NUWA?
Yeah, I need one of those, you know?
Are you still holding it up? NUWA?
I am still in the trade, yeah. There we go,
Oh,
NUWE
there you
with
go.
a nice push.
430.
There we go. Let's see if it can hold above 430. Comes right back down. It needs to get out of this level. We're seeing the upwards momentum, like I said. Now we just need to get out of this. We got to crack 430 and we should get some more. It's looking good right now. 432, 431, back down. Let's see if it can hold here. Needs to hold above for push up. Hold above. Hold above 430 is what we're looking for. Nope. Let's see if we can get some volume here. Buy side volume. And again, right back to this POC. Let's see if it can use POC as support this time. Potentially looking to hold. If you guys can see, we need to break above this red line, which is the point of control, and move to the upside. So it's trying its best here. It looks like it may do that. It's getting there. Need some volume here. And so it's been just lingering around this area, magnetic to the POC, and we needed to just jump off. So it's got up to 430 a couple times, and it just keeps coming back towards the POC. But there is a slight uptrend here, so still in the trade, waiting for it to play out. We
Stack
got it.
again. Stack is trying to move.
STAK. Let's look
Yeah.
quick little peek over at STAK while we see what the hell NUEWE is trying to do. STAK is
Volume starting to build into it. There goes 302.
STAK looking
Just
good.
growing a penny each time, trying to go back to 308.
Yeah, pre-market high. It's pushing. The
Yeah.
volume is there on
It's
this one.
303. I'm telling you, it just keeps going up 1 penny at a time.
Crazy. Well, let's see. Maybe it'll get there now. Maybe it'll get there now. I'm still in NUWE. I have that up on my other screen as well. Just watching it. And we have Stack here on the main screen at this point. Just watching Stack. Let's see if Stack can get to pre-market high while we wait for NUWE to finally get out of this point of control zone. If you're new to the channel,
Ooh, let's pull
hello,
back.
hello, good morning, or good afternoon, depending on where you're coming in from. And let
Keeps
us know
pulling back to the
where you're
20
coming
EMA.
from. Yeah, both of them are fighting. Both of them are fighting. Both of them are fighting. There we go. There's a nice move on
There
NUWE.
you go.
There we go. There's a nice move. NUWE. NUWE with a nice push here. Another wick. There's another move. There we go. Another move on NUWE. Looking for more. That's that 8 a.m. spike. Okay. And it came right back down. NUWE. Did you guys catch that? That move on NUWE?
Did you get out?
I got out slightly. 432.
Nice.
Didn't make as much as I would have liked to, but we're out on NUWE. Huge spike and huge little spike on NUWE. But very crazy. Looks a little bearish now. I would not enter NUWE right now. It looks like a little bearish at this point. So let's go back to Stack here and kind of see what's going on with STAK.
I'm just, I cycle through everything. I try my best to go through and make sure, because you never know what's popping. If we just watch the two, then we
Yeah.
miss the move on another.
Yeah, no, you
So I
have
was
to.
trying to go through the scanners, and
Yeah.
that's why
Eh,
I'll go through once in a while. I'll go through the scanners and show everybody what I'm going through, what I see, what's popping on the scanners for me.
Yeah, after maybe today we can set up a scanner view or something. I don't know, so we can quickly
But just cycle through it the way I do.
just like go through. My scanner's on a different screen and everything. It's
Oh,
all,
yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
that's the problem. Like, are you using scanner on what? On TradingView or on something else?
You've seen my scan on both IBKR and on, sorry, on
Oh, okay, okay.
TradingView and on TradeZero.
Yeah, I just have I have my big one, right, which is the charts watcher scanner, the big one, and then I have a
Yeah,
smaller pre-market scanner from Mumu over here, and then I have another one up here, which is more like just like heat map and a kind of overall market, kind of thing. So there's like
yeah.
three scanners up here at the top.
I have 3 different scanners for the day for TradingView. I have a pre-market, a day, and an after hours.
Okay, I got you.
And the one for TradeZero is like it just keeps going all day.
Okay, nice. There's not really much to play. I will be honest, I got a little lucky on that last NUWE play. I quickly got out.
STAK starting to flush.
STAK coming down. Yep. You can see STAK coming on the downside here.
STKH is starting to move though.
STKH.
Yeah.
What? Trading view some days, bro. Okay, STKH just above VWAP. Let us know what you're looking at if you are trading. Looking for the next move here. Bia is popping up too, eh? Bia? You saw that? Got Bia popping up. Oh man, popping up for the
DC,
wrong reason
no,
though. Got rocked.
I just show my scan.
He got rocked. SCWO? Is that what you're watching too? Some news popped up on this? What is this?
Watching GCTK. $100 stock. It's 43 cents, but it was 39 and it's starting to make a move. It went up to 55 last night. So far
GCTK.
today, it's hit a high of 43.
Oh wow, okay, look at
44.
this.
Just
GCTK for those of you playing the pennies.
I just
GCTK.
watch whatever's moving because it'll on Trade Zero it shows me where all the volume is.
Yeah, I see that on my scanner here. SNXX is another one. Yeah, you see that one? SNXX. But this is a little high.
You know.
Price is a little $8.
Ooh, STKH just popped up all the way to four.
There goes your
There,
GCTK.
STKH is no. Pull up STKH. This one's way better.
STKH. STKH.
Holy
Oh,
moly!
STKH making a nice push
It
here.
might splash right back down right here.
Yeah, looks like it.
But it
Finding
literally
some
just popped up.
resistance here.
I was just watching this.
STKH here. I'm gonna take this. Let's see if I turn this off. Will this make this better? No. I guess this scanner is a little bit. This a little bit bigger now. Yeah. Interesting. STKH. Nice pop here.
Yeah, GCTK is nice, but we're talking like a couple pennies. Where this thing just popped up like 30 cents.
Yeah, that's true. Comes right back now.
Yeah, I said it would. It's probably gonna flush right back down.
Yeah, STKH.
Those candles that you see where it's one candle that pulls back instantly, that's a possible pullback. Where this is gradually going down, now it's looking bearish.
Let's see if it does it. Think it'll hold here or not?
This was probably gonna bounce on the 9.
Yeah, we might just do that. Let's see. Trying to. There's the bounce.
Yeah, it did.
There's the bounce on
I
STKH.
make good calls, no executions, bro. I'm really good at
Yeah,
that.
you gotta get in, bro. You gotta get in the trade. Gotta get in the trade.
I make such good calls, bro. My calls are always better than my executions, though. Imagine that.
Yeah, but then you're making no money if you're not executing. Right.
uh,
Gotta get in.
that's fucking weird.
Let's see, it might come right back down again. Let's see if it holds here. Front leg up. What a day. Let us know what you're trading today, what you're in. It's quite quiet so far. All right, so there it goes. What a nice wick up there. STKH. Absolutely amazing. That would have been a nice entry there. And oh, look at this now, bro. Look at this now.
Wow, what a trap!
What a
Holy
trap.
moly!
Come on, man. Look at this. Look at this trap. Giveth and taketh away in seconds. My God. This is crazy, you know,
It's
like
crazy.
what are you gonna do here? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
It's crazy.
How's your renovations coming along?
That's what I was doing. I went to go make my coffee.
Yeah.
I forgot that it's recycling day, so I have to go take out the bins.
Uh,
And then I went to my son's room to go see my paint job.
yeah.
Man, that room looks so good.
That's good. That's good. I'm here. I'm just
Yeah, it looks sick.
moving my camera up here.
No,
That's good.
you're good.
What color did you paint it?
I love the name of it too. It's called Big Chill. It's a blue.
Oh, it's a blue,
Big Chill blue. It's called Big
like.
Chill blue.
Is it
It doesn't
light
say
blue?
blue at the end. That's just it's a blue. It's like a sky blue, like a perfect sky blue.
Oh, okay. That's nice. He's gonna like that. What was it before? White?
Or color, I don't even know, like a white, very light green.
Oh wow.
It's like a super light green. It's
Interesting.
like
Oh,
the best way to, yeah, very very light.
I got it. All right. Let's see, guys. I hope you guys didn't get caught up on that STKH flush just now. Oh, quite crazy. Looking for a trade. Switch to the standing mode on the standing desk. Sitting all day is obviously not best. So just trying to move around as best as we can here. So we got STKH up on the scanner. NUWE's back at that range. So I'm going to actually look at NUWE. We're back in that range, and it's looking good on NUWE. Let's take a look here at NUWE. It's ready for the next leg up. I believe so. I'm going to play this potentially a third time here. So I might get in here on NUWE potentially on a third time here. So NUWE is going again. I'm going to look for a pullback and then I might get in. I'm going to see what happens here. So watching NUWE up on my screen. This is the pullback. The pullback on NUWE, and it's ready to rip. I didn't get in this time yet. I just can't get in. There's a deeper pullback. Let's see if we can get a deeper pullback. We know point of control is around 425, so I might be interested.
What's it called? Can
Mm-hmm.
you send me the link again for the position?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Try if I some programs on. Yeah.
Yep.
Oh wait, I don't even read that. Read that. Just requested access, but I don't know what under what category. I don't know if that matters.
Oh, sorry. What?
I requested access, but it gives you three different options to pick from. I
Oh,
didn't
you
even
want
read it. I
edit?
just
You
clicked
want
request
editor?
access.
You want editor?
I think
Hold on.
that's what it was on. Okay, perfect. I think that's what it was on.
Yeah, you got it. You got it. Here, let me
I
send it
didn't
back
even
to you.
read it.
There, I
I
sent
was
it
like,
back
oh,
to you,
okay.
bro. I sent it back to you.
Okay, yeah, I got it.
You're
Perfect.
good.
Thank you.
There goes NUWE, folks. Who got in on that nice little pullback? My goodness. If you got in, congratulations. You should be up a little bit here.
Good stuff.
Good stuff. I'm
I'm still
looking.
watching SDKH.
You're watching
SDKH is starting to
SDKH?
move back up. Yeah. See, because that was a crazy candle, I agree, but there was a massive wick.
Mm.
It wicked up and it wicked down. And now look at it. It looked like it just did that to flush what's it or to squeeze shorts out.
SDKH. SDKH, was it? STKH. Oh my god.
Yeah, sorry, I'm just drinking my coffee.
You're good. You're good. You're good.
It's back to 4:30.
Let us know what you're watching today, guys. What are you playing? What's on the menu? Come on. I'm getting a little bit of grinding action upwards here on STKH. Pre-market high at 462. Right now at 440, so
It's at the 440 now. Wow.
could be a move here. Looking for another push
I
here.
would I would be careful with this because it could just flush right back down again because it must have had the way it triggered like that. It must have had a bunch of sell orders at the top. See what I mean?
Yeah.
They just put in a bunch of sell orders, so it probably had a bunch of trigger sells at 460 and a bunch of them at 440 just now.
Trappy McNuts, huh?
Yeah, basically.
Yeah.
That's the stuff. CYCU popping up on my scanners right now. This thing just popped up from 29 cents all the way up to 44. It's holding 42, 41 right now. Dollar stocks, under dollar stocks. SCKH starting to pull back now. NUWE is starting to pull back as well.
NUW coming down, SCKH coming down. We're approaching 8:30 this morning. Looking for the next trade here. Let us know what you're getting into today. NUWE back on the downside again. RKTO just popping up on the scanner. I will look at this just because it is at that 80 cent level now. And look at this huge wick. Sometimes I like to see these pop up above VWAP and push up over $1. So RKTO I'm looking at right now. So let's see what we can see with RKTO. My goodness. Okay. See if we can get our RKTO back above VWAP. You see anything, bro?
Not really.
Mm.
SDKH, or sorry, NUWE looking like it's trying to bounce off VWAP. SDKH, I don't know what SDKH wants to do really. It's kind of doing the same thing. Consolidating non VWAP. There's a bounce off. Looks like it's rejecting the 9 though. Rejecting like 420 area. Range between 410 and 420 right now. Nothing really catching my eye. NUWE popped, or yeah, popped off VWAP, bounced off VWAP.
Yep. And UWEs. It's that POC area that I talked about. 425. It keeps coming back there like a magnet. The price is coming back there, and it's either shooting to the downside or shooting to the upside. On the upside, it's having trouble around the 440 range. On the downside, it's holding around 410. So NUWE back around 425 right now. We got RKTO up on my scanner here. Sorry, my chart. I'm looking for this for a push towards VWAP. $1 play in play potentially on that. So here goes NUWE again. It's looking interesting here to me. NUWE again. I'm going to quickly switch over to NUWE. I'm going to take another position here at NUWE at these levels, 425 entry. Again, NUWE. We'll see what happens here. If it can hold and push up. I feel like it's going to eventually make another leg up. We'll see. So I took entry here NUWE at 425 this time. And we'll see if we can get that leg up. Watching NUWE. Entry at 425 this time. See if I can get a bounce my way here. There really ain't much. PN's popping up on the scanner here. PN trading at 18 bucks now. You see that?
Yeah, I saw that. That's a
Yeah.
little too much for me.
DFNS at $88. STKH trading at 404. GCTK back at 41.
DYCU I was watching, it was looking like it was trying to bounce back up, but this all these $100 stock is what's moving right now. Not really anything crazy. NUWE would be really the best one of the day. DFNS obviously the next best one, but that is not a small cap anymore.
Crazy.
The thing is almost $100. It's $90 the stock now. That's crazy. For anybody that got into that, congratulations. Like, holy, and still holding.
And you did NUWE back this time on the downside.
Insane.
There's another pop up. I'm gonna hold here still. DFNS back to 90 bucks now. What a trade. Who got DFNS? Let us know in the chat. Leave a comment if you watch this later. Let us know. DFNS, did you get in? Why?
LTRXANDMORE has breaking news. SPAI has breaking news. ELIN has breaking news. CMND has breaking news. MNTS has breaking news.
– 8:30. Let's see if there's any news coming out right now. You got anything? Space.
I have nothing right now. I'm just watching NUWE. There we go, guys. NUWE with another push up. Good job.
GWH just
I'm
popped
looking.
up.
Let me
GWH.
see if we can get another a nice spike here on NUWE. It's just been spiking. It's just been spiking. I'm looking for some more. Can we get some more here on NUWE? It's just been. It's not like It's moving, but it just comes back to the POC area at 425. Spikes down, spikes up. Here it is, another little spike up. There's a nice quick spike. There's a nice big spike. I'm out here at 438 on NUWE. Out at 438 NUWE. The stock has been very good to me today. We are getting out at 438 NUWE. I'm out. There might be more on this move, but I'm taking what I can. NUWE just went. Wow.
Oh, this thing is flying now, yeah.
NUWE just flew. Oh my goodness. 465. Are you still in it? Are you still in it? Let us know in the chat. I'm out. I
Watch
got
this.
lit. I should have stayed.
34.
I should have
Holy
stayed. I
moly.
should have stayed. Oh my god. I should have stayed. Oh my god.
Like 8:30 people
Oh
just
my.
came in and
Oh
bought it
my.
all.
Oh my. I should have
Holy,
stayed. Eh? I should have stayed.
holy
Oh.
moly.
Oh
That thing
my
is.
god. Oh my. Oh my. I should have stayed, bro. Oh man. Hey,
At
what are
least
you
you're
gonna do?
green on it, you know?
I'm green on
Damn.
it, but damn, could have stayed a little bit more. Oh my god, look at this.
That's me. How many times I've done that too, bro? Yeah.
What? Should have stayed, could have stayed. This is probably looking at 5 right now. NUWE, who got in? Who got in? Did you get in? Let us know. NUWE, wow, 520, 530, 547. NUWE, oh my god,
Wow.
bro, what?
Hit
Oh my,
566 so far.
I got out too early. You know,
That's crazy. Yeah.
I got out way too early.
Feel that,
I
bro.
didn't. I didn't.
Holy
I didn't. I
moly.
didn't. I saw the
That's
squeeze
insane.
building. I saw the squeeze building, but I didn't think it was gonna rip right here, right at 8:30, folks. My goodness! Wow, what a
Wow.
banger! What a banger on NUWE. If you held that through, congratulations. I just got part of the move. Really not much, but what are you gonna do? Left so much money on the table this morning.
Holy,
You
yeah.
know,
That thing
that would
just.
have been a dollar move for me. Wow, wow, wow. And it's still going. NUWE now at 550. Wow, wow, wow. 566 pre-market high. NUWE wants more. Can we get 6? Wow,
That's insane.
wow. NUWE. Absolute banger this morning. Crazy morning.
I believe how that.
I
This is what I was
missed.
talking about with flip flop yesterday.
Oh,
It's like
yeah.
sometimes you just gotta.
Well,
These
hold
are the
on a
ones that
bit. Yeah,
well, you gotta be able to like. You're gonna at least as long as you're early enough.
yeah,
The what you're risking, like you said, is you're
yeah,
risking breaking even,
yeah.
which is not as bad as going red, right? So
Right.
as long as you get in early, you just gotta learn to hold. The thing about that is you're risking to hold to break even.
I saw that the whole time. It was holding this POC level, holding. I'll pull it up on my 5-minute chart. Then eventually it just squeezed up out of there. See this? It was playing this level the whole time, and then boop, it decided to let's let's get out of there, and then finally just bounce right out. You know, crazy. Now it looks like it's gonna come down. Maybe we're gonna see a timber all the way back to
Okay, it's just
480.
been moved.
Here comes the timber. Let's see if it flushes down to 480, 484 area, or maybe it's like nah, we're gonna find some support here and keep going. And NUWE just touched 586, 593. Still wants more. NUWE just is wow. My goodness, bro. That was the trade, and we got a few wins out of it, but could have played it better. There it comes back down here in UWE. Let's see if it can get back to the 480 level that I spoke about. Although the 9 EMA now is here at 506 on the 1 minute chart. Crazy, man. Just missed. And UWE today was also on our watch list. So if you are a Discord member, we did post this on our watch list this morning at 6 a.m. Bullish trigger above $4 or 425. So we did have that key targets 475, 550, and 650. So we did hit two of the targets, 475 and 550, and now potentially hitting that 650. So if you got in, good job. We called that out at 6 a.m. this morning in UWE. It was on the watch list. Now it looks like it's coming back to find support here at 512 EMA, 9 EMA. What do you see, Jose? You see anything else?
Not really. PN is climbing higher.
Yeah.
STKH climbed back up to 430. GCTK flushing. Even broke the 200 EMA. XRX has been in a channel. Kind of in an upward trend channel. NUWE looks like it wants to move again, but kind of rejecting here.
Man, I'm kind of bummed. I missed this full move on NUWE. That was a nice one. We caught some
Yep.
of it, but I didn't catch the full squeeze. I got out way too early. But we saw it here live. We did the trade. We didn't catch the full trade, but it's all good. So if you're tuning in, let us know if you caught this NUWE move. It looks like it's ready to go here. It just touched the 9 EMA on the 1 minute chart, as you see. Found some support here, and it's looking for another leg up. This may be the another leg up,
Climbing
and
back up now, yeah.
we can
Oh,
see
and flushing back.
it. We can see a potential push up over 6 pre-market high, sitting at 593 right now. So we're gonna see what happens here. It might want to test the 9 one more time and then find the push up. So let's see. We're also seeing some resistance here on the 5. We can see around 534 there's clear resistance. Now it can turn this resistance into support, and we should see a nice push up. So we got some selling pressure above 534. The stock's been good to us. Could have been great to us, but it is what it is. So here's the test again here on the 9.
MNRO has breaking news.
Got some breaking news here. MNRO, not much volume. Doesn't look too interesting. PN trading at 1850. Should I take another stab here at NUWE? What do you guys think? Let's see. Looking like it's ready to go. Looking like it's ready to go. I think it's ready to make its next leg. NUWE. UWE looking for its next leg as we're approaching 9 a.m. too. Could be interesting. Could be interesting here. Could be very interesting here. There's the pullback. There's the pullback.
VWAP has breaking news.
There's the push. There's the push. So you get it. If you got in at 535, you're up right now, 25 cents. There's the push.
Oh, and it flushes.
Then it gives it right back, you know. So you got to be quick, in, out, boom, boom. Like, come on, man. Look at this. It's still okay
That's
though.
a
On the
good
5-minute chart, it's still looking like bullish on the 5-minute chart. You know, just need some volume to come in and should be okay.
Now wants to reject off the 9. Yep.
Let us know what you're looking at this morning, where you're from, what you're trading. Let us know in the chat. Now it's looking a little bearish. Maybe it comes further down here. I don't see anything. Boom. Boom was also on our chart watch list this morning. Boom. Now trading at 691. If you're in the Discord, we had Boom and NUWE both on the watch list this morning. Boom. Boom. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. What a move on Boom. Nice little spike up here on Boom. Although the volume is kind of low. I don't know where this kind of spiked up from, but we'll keep watching it. Back to NUWE. NUWE now seeing downside action. Remember I said earlier it could come back to that 480 level, and we're just about there. There it is, 480 level, bouncing off the 480 level. I would be interested potentially here or even further down at 470 on the 1 minute. And if it can't go there, we might go further down to 450, which is VWAP. So let's see if it can hold here or not. That was a huge. There's NUWE. So off that 480 bounce is a potential entry. I would be a little bit careful though. Might find some resistance at 5, which happens to be around the 20 EMA on the 1 minute chart over here. $10 to 9 a.m. and UWE. Nice bounce off the 480, like I mentioned earlier. 9 EMA, 5 minute chart. Now it's coming slightly back up. I think, yeah. I think we see some more downside action first here. Maybe another test of the 9 EMA level on the 5 minute chart. If it can't hold this, it's going to further come down. Maybe to 473. If not 473, then back towards VWAP at 454. ARTL popping up on my scanner here, 79 cents. MNTS running up to 447. DFNS trading at $88 right now. Let's see if this comes back and retests 45. Jose, you see anything, bro?
I just been watching SDAK.
Oh, you watch Stack?
Yeah.
Let's see what Stack's doing.
Oh, what the hell just happened?
There goes Stack. Okay. Stack finding resistance at pre-market high 308. Go back to NUWE. NUWE is the pre-market gainer of the day this morning. So we see another touch here on the 5 minute chart. Right, we see buyers coming in and holding this 9 EMA. We just need some volume to come in and give us a spike. As we get close to 9 in the morning, we might see a potential spike here. Let's see. There comes some volume. You can see a nice little slight trend up here on the 1 minute. So that's looking okay. We see it's holding here on the 5. Need to see some volume come in. Trying to hold 5 right now. PN 1839 now. Pretty quiet otherwise. See if it can hold this level. It's trying to hold 5 in UWE. Trying to see if there's anything else I see. Still watching stock there?
Yes, but I'm also trying to create something for the
Oh,
Google Doc.
oh okay. Nice,
Trying to program something.
nice. So here goes NUWE. There's the push. So it held the 9. Looks like it wants to make a push. I might jump back in here and play the gamble here. NUWE. I'm jumping in here at 508. I'm in at 508 NUWE. One more time. We're long NUWE at 508. Back long on NUWE, this time at 508. Looking for a push up. 9 a.m. is coming. I would expect some volume coming in here at 908 and push this stock up. Here we go. Looking for more. A little push back down. Let's see if we can get a push up here. 4 minutes till 9. In at 508. You can see the nice uptrend here on the 1 minute chart. I'm liking that. 9 is holding above the 20 EMA as well. Liking that. We're above VWAP. I'm liking that. Just need volume to kick in. There's a nice push. NUWE 422. I think we got more here. 418, 518. So we're getting close to 9. We should see nice push. There's the push as we're getting close to 9. There's a nice push to 524, 528. Getting a nice push. 524, 526. Get another leg up here. I'm out here at 523. Out here at 523. I'll take my little win. We move on. Out at 523. I think this has more room to go at 9 a.m. As we approach 9 a.m. I think we have more. But I'll take the little win here. I think this is going to go for more. I think I exited too early, but let's see. Two minutes till 9 a.m. We've been green today. And it's been just NUWE all day. 4 trades, 4 wins. NUWE, the only ticker I've traded this morning. Left a lot of money on table. But we'll take what we can get. There it goes for more. I knew I left it. This is going to grind up for more. We definitely left some money on the table there. There it goes, 527. I think this will hit. There it goes. As it gets close to 9, this thing should spike. Let's see if I'm right. Should see a nice spike. There's a volume coming in, and we should see the spike right at 9. Here we go. Up over 530, just at 9. Like I said, there was a nice little spike, and this is where I'm not too sure. Does it spike up and then come crashing back down, or does it keep going up more higher? Right, we did get out at 523, and now it's at 520. So this is what I'm not too sure about. What will happen here?
CRDX has breaking news.
Flashing now at 9 o'clock.
Flushing.
Let's see. Let's drop. Let's drop it.
Yeah, that was what I was worried about. That's why I got out just before 9. It's like, is it gonna flush after 9? Like, does it spike up towards 9, and then at 9 come back down? And that's what I was like not too sure about. Because it's either gonna keep going up, or it's gonna come. Five minutes still above 9 EMA, so that's cool. Why HC popping up on the scanner here? Why HC? Wow, what happened here? But the volume isn't much. But it just popped up. I don't know about that. DFNS, PN, STKH. Are you still watching that, or are you watching something else now? Or are you still
I was
watching
watching
Stack?
STAK.
Stack, yeah.
Also, I saw that thing flush, but on support.
Let's look at something else. This morning it's a trade right now. Yeah, this is nice. This is a nice chart though, Stack. And you WE holding. See what it does here next. I'm gonna be right back, man.
Yeah, no worries.
I'll be back in 1 second. Yeah.
Yeah. STAK. STAK looks like it wants to bounce here. Bounce back. Did a quick flush. Usually when these flushes, it does bounce back a bit. I'm gonna guess it's gonna reject here on the 295 area. It just bounced quickly. As I said, it would recover. 295 is where I'm saying it's gonna reject. Let's see if it does that. Holding 295. Is it starting to pull back now? Let's see. I'm not sure if it's going to start fading now, but I knew it would reject off the 9. There it goes. Up to 297 now. And you 450. Oh, sorry. Is my buy zone. Oh, nice. You got in at 9. It's got 450? Holy moly. You're killing it. Let's see. I'll pull this up over here now. You still holding? Because that's insane. If you're in at 450, congratulations. Sorry, it is your buy zone, or that was your buy zone? Like you got in at 450. If you did, that's insane. That is some great stuff. Ernie 71.78. Starting to pull back here now. 517 NUWE.
Ready? I'm back.
Yeah. When coming down, then we'll enter. Oh, well, you're waiting for the pullback. Gotcha.
Who's that?
Bernie, how you doing today, Bernie? Welcome to the stream. How you doing today?
Oh, what's up? Good morning. Bernie.
You think it? So you're trying to retest VWAP? Try and get off VWAP? Hey guys, I've been here for the past half hour,
Oh,
but I
damn, bro. Hopefully you
have
can
you guys
sort
on
that
me
out.
because I'm on the phone with my broker. Big mix up after hours trade. That's all messed up. Oh
Oh,
no.
oh no way.
Well, good luck with that, brother. I hope. Yeah. Take your time. I hope that gets sorted, man, because that sounds messed up.
Yeah.
I hope it works out, bro.
Which one?
Take all the time you
IBKR
need. Go get that
or
fixed
Trade
up.
Zero? Which broker are you getting some trouble with?
Me? No, flip flop.
Yeah, Flip Flop. Flip Flop's having issues.
I don't know if he uses IBK.
He does,
He
I
uses
think.
Trade Zero for shorting, and then I
Yeah,
forget what he uses
I think he uses both of them.
for
I think
longs.
he's. I think he's like you. I think he uses both.
I'm a flip flop in the making.
Bernie's trying to get in at 450. What's Bernie trying to get in at 450? Enter at
On
450.
NWE.
Oh, you think it's gonna come back down to 450, bro? NUWE 450. I don't know. Will it get back down there? 450A. You're trying to get 450's under VWAP though. If it gets, I don't know if it's gonna get all the way down there. Maybe, but it might take some time. I guess we'll see come open. Here it comes down though for you. It's coming down a little bit here for you, Bernie.
I'm trying to find my software from my macro pad. I have no idea where I put it.
DCX, you're looking at? Let's pull that up for you, bro. There's not enough volume on this, bro. That's why I'm not like looking at it too much. You know, there's just not enough volume on it. You're gonna get stuck here. I wouldn't jump in personally. There's just not enough volume. Volume. Look how low the volume is. Yeah, zombie bingo. Stay away. I would not jump in, bro. You're gonna get your money stuck. Look at the ones that have the biggest pre-market volume. Play those. Look at the ones that have the biggest pre-market gains. That's where the attention is. That's where the volume is. That's where the liquidity is. And focus on that. Sometimes the scanner is gonna pick up shit. That's just exactly that. Garbage. So you need to filter out some of the noise. This DFNS stock, bro, I can't believe it, man. What? Huh?
It's pretty crazy.
Very crazy, bro. Look at this thing. Let's pull this up here for a sec. DFNS. The other day we were looking at this thing. Then this thing was around here just a few days ago. This was July 26th. This was Monday. It was if we go back, this is 9 a.m. on Monday. Monday at pre-market hours, this thing's trading around $6, man. $6, $7. Crazy. I use Mumu. I use Mumu for day trading. I use Wealthsimple and Webull for different reasons, but primarily Mumu. But I'm in Canada, so. And Jose's using TradeZero and IBKR. I use IBKR here and there too sometimes. What are you using, Bernie? What broker do you use? There we go. Another push up here on NUWE. Man, this stock has been just giving. Although on the 1 minute, there's a nice little leg down this time. 5 minute looking okay though. %70% IBKR, 30% TradeZero. Nice. You have the same setup as Jose.
So, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That's the setup, bro. I'm telling you.
I know. I need to get on there.
It's so funny that that's the common theme. Because my buddies got me on TradeZero
Because of
and
shorting.
for shorting.
Yeah.
However, they recommended also getting on Ocean, but Ocean is an American one, and the opening window for Canadians to have gotten in is closed. So I missed my chance. I just missed my chance by like a couple
What? They're
bucks.
not accepting Canadian traders no more?
No, it's kind of like the same thing as TD Ameritrade.
Yeah.
So we can use TD. We have that, but
Right.
they have Thinkorswim. We don't
Yeah,
have access to that.
Yeah, we can get the demo Thinkorswim. I used to play
Yeah,
around
but
with
it's
that.
not the same. But that's what I'm
Obviously,
saying.
you can't.
But they
trade 'em.
have
Yeah.
before they used to have open windows every year
Yeah.
where like they'd allow a certain amount of Canadians in.
Oh, really?
Like, all right, even if you're in Canada, okay, come sign up or whatever. But it'd be a very small window.
That's crazy.
Yeah. So I missed. Yeah, I missed
You
it.
missed the window.
Because Thinkorswim gave you so much information before. I don't know how Thinkorswim is now. This
Yeah.
is talking years ago, right?
Right.
But
Right.
it was so good before. Locate
Yeah,
fees
but
on TZ, a little bit high for me.
things are
I
catching
think
up.
we'll open an account in
You
Cobra.
know. Oh,
Cobra,
Cobra is
Cobra.
big in the States too. A lot of these guys are using Cobra. I find.
Which one's Cobra? Cobra is
Cobra is
what's
supposed to
it
be
called?
like really good with locates and quick execution, that kind of stuff.
But it's a prop firm.
No, it's a broker, I believe.
That's what I thought. Cobra sounds like similar to a prop firm that I'm thinking of.
No, it's a broker as well. The States, they got so many more options. Bernie, where are you from, bro?
Oh yeah, 100%.
Are you in the States? Or
100%.
where are you at, bro? Bernie, I think you're in the States, yeah? Let us know in the chat.
That took me all morning. Anyway, I think it's all sorted out. Hell yeah. I hope it's sorted out for you, brother.
I hope so, man. We need you to be making some money. Let's go. Here we go. NUWE bounced off the 9 EMA and looking for more. Lake Constance. Where's Lake Constance? Where's that?
Google this for him.
Where's Lake Constance?
In Europe. Holy moly.
You're out in Europe, bro. Is that right? Really? Where in Europe is that? Lake Constance. What?
In Germany.
Oh, wow. All the way from Germany. Oh, Switzerland. Oh, my
Oh, wait,
God.
Switzerland.
Oh,
Like
nice,
bordered
nice.
by Germany.
I've been to Switzerland. I went to Switzerland in 2023 or 2022, something like that. Switzerland's a beautiful country, but man, your country is mad expensive. Zurich. I went to Zurich and up by the Swiss Alps. You can take. I took a train there. I forget what the place is called. I have photos and stuff.
Urban.
It's crazy, man. Switzerland's one of the most prettiest places you can be. Arbonne.
Just now.
Very hot today.
Oh, that looks sick.
Very hot today. How hot is it out there?
Wow, that actually looks so nice. It looks like it's so nice because it has green there.
Yeah,
Where if
yeah.
you look at Toronto, like that looks like
They got
our downtown,
mountains and all sorts of
but
stuff.
like nice looking. Where
Yeah.
ours is so just big ass buildings. That looks so nice.
It's beauty. Yeah, Switzerland's
Hell yeah,
amazing, man.
that looks gorgeous.
Switzerland, if you haven't been, Jose, you gotta go. It's a beautiful place, bro.
Definitely lots of places. I still gotta make my way to.
Oh, for sure.
Why did I post?
No, 32 degrees in my flat. Oh, man. Need some AC, bro.
Too small, too boring. It's boring there. That's a small town, I'm guessing.
Small town, you may be bored. Boring. Nothing to do, huh? Need to go on vacation, bro. Come to Canada, maybe. But don't come in the winter.
Even our summertime sucks now, though.
It does, yeah. Don't come.
Our summertime this
Go
year
us.
was.
Go elsewhere.
This year our summer was
Yeah, it's been like that, yeah.
Originally born in Istanbul. Oh, nice. How'd you make your way to Switzerland?
Yeah.
Or you just like traveling, moving from place to place? Because that sounds awesome. We got what? Just under 13 minutes left on the before market open.
Yeah. Let's see what happens here at open. I would like to see what the orb looks like on NUWE for market open. And we can kinda
STKH
see.
is starting to move.
STKH is moving. Got a couple bounces here off NUWE. I like this little wedge setup. It's got a nice little wedge on the 5 minute. So I feel like it could potentially break out of this wedge for another push up. Pre-market high is sitting at 593. So I'm kind of see, although up here on the 1 minute, there is a lot of resistance around 534, which I believe would be the POC. If we pull this up, we should see, no, POC is much lower at 424. So we'll see kind of what happens. Although there, you can see clearly there's some friction there. Arbon Swiss, German ID, but living 12 years in Arbon, Swiss. That's cool. Switzerland's nice. I haven't been to Germany yet. I would like to visit Germany someday.
I found it now.
Bernie, do you typically trade the small cap space? What are you trading? Are you swing trading, day trading? What are you typically doing now? I'm looking for this bounce. I see the nice wedge here on the NUWE as we're approaching 9:30 a.m. Maybe we can see a spike to the upside on NUWE. You could, this potential like a little bit of a gamble. You can get in early, but that 9:30 a.m. is very wicky, so gotta be careful. But no risk, no reward, right? A lot of the trading is just mental. Yeah, lost Cameron. Ross is good, but the problem with Ross is his execution style is very difficult for newer traders to capitalize on. He's moving at lightning speeds. They're micro moves. So for most traders, it would be hard to replicate that kind of trading style. Mostly shorting. Okay, cool.
You're shorting then. He's got the right idea.
Yeah, he's shorting when
He's
he's
the right
on.
idea for small cap. He already figured it
Yeah,
out. This
trade zero.
small
He
cap
knows.
is want to win in small caps, you got to short.
You got it. Yeah.
Inevitable downfall, basically, for all these TOS stocks. That's an Alex Temmie's very best trader. Who's Alex Temmie's? That one
Yeah,
sounds
Alex
familiar.
Temiz is a
Okay.
big time trader. His story is
Name
pretty
sounds
crazy. He
so.
used to be a
Yeah, him.
Starbucks
Yeah, I know who that is.
Starbucks barista. I think he's based out of Florida. A lot of these guys are based out of Florida. Florida is a kind of skepticism for me. Like some of them are fake traders, some of them are real. P&D
But they're in
business
Florida because there's no capital gains in Florida. That's the
mm,
place to be if you're a trader.
makes
That or
sense.
Puerto Rico.
Makes
But if you're in
sense.
Puerto Rico, I think you gotta be American or something.
P&D
I don't know how
business.
that one
What is
works.
P&D? Do you know what that means? P&D?
PND? Oh, let me see.
Let's see what we got here.
Oh,
It
pump and
looks like
dump.
pump and dump business.
Yeah, yeah.
I got you. Hey, that's cool, bro. That's do what you got to do.
Old school Timothy Sykes,
Yeah.
shorting, all on the short game.
Timothy's one of the OGs, in this space.
For shorting, oh yeah, I liked learning from because I liked how he was an arrogant piece of shit, but it was entertaining. I liked how straightforward he wasn't
Yeah.
pussyfooting around anything. He was actually telling you how it is.
How it is. Yeah. Oh,
You
sorry.
want to
The
keep losing
the
money?
the the
By all
business.
means, don't study.
No, you're good. You're good. The business after P&D caught me off guard. I'm like, are you talking about work or what's going on? You know.
Nah, you're good, brother.
You're good.
We figured it out. I
We're,
got it. I got it.
yeah. Jose figured it out. Jose Suave.
Yeah, yeah. You're the only person that actually calls me Jose.
What?
Calls me Jose.
Who else? What do they call you? Gringo?
No, no, Jose. Like you say it properly. You know what
Oh,
I
I
mean?
say it
You
properly.
say it. Yeah, you say it properly. Where everybody else calls me Jose. Like Spanish words in English,
Yeah.
usually where there's like a e,
Yeah.
they'll put a a.
Interesting.
You know what
What
I
do
mean?
what are
Because
they
instead
saying?
of
What are they saying?
uh, what was that? Instead of cerveza, they say
Yeah,
cerveza.
cerveza,
Have you heard
cerveza.
that?
Yeah,
It's
I've heard that.
cerveza.
Yeah,
So hey, can I got two more cervezas, por favor?
yeah, yeah. Shit, what the heck? Okay, let's see what happens. I just got NUWE up on my scanner. PN is up heavy right now, bro. It's at $20.80. Can actually just come back under 20. It's 19.99 right now on sale. 19.99 PN.
I'm watching SDKH and Stack. I don't even know if it's still on here. They're still holding and being climbing higher gradually. Slow grinders, but they're there. If you got in early on this, like if I got in on this and I stayed up to 4 o'clock like I wanted to, but I
Mm,
didn't,
you would have been
I'd
okay.
be laughing right now. Yeah, I would have traded
I
Stack.
feel like this is squeezing, bro. I feel like this is ready to roll. This is just squeezing for the next push. You know, I'm confident. You know what? I'm gonna get in here at 518. I'm gonna
Uh,
jump back in
I
on the
would
trade.
recommend being careful as it's almost 9:30
It's okay. You know what? I'm gonna get.
because you don't know
I'm
if
in.
it's gonna flush or
I'm
explode.
jumping
One
in
or the
here.
other.
I'm gonna jump in here. I feel like there's a potential. So I'm in here at 513, and we're back in the trade. It is it is very risky what I'm doing. Just FYI, but I'm pretty confident it's ready to squeeze. Could squeeze to the downside too, but YOLO, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go. A few
That's the
minutes from
trading
now.
attitude.
No, you gotta. If you're not gonna put your, if you're not gonna, take risk, you're not gonna get reward now. At the end of the day, you might lose some money. Are you gonna die from this? Nah. 150. That's a good goal, bro. But 150, that doesn't go too far in Switzerland. Switzerland's mad expensive. Bro, in Switzerland, Jose, you gotta
Hmm.
pay to use the public washroom. It's not free.
What? Really?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Depends where you go, but yeah, it's not
So
free.
what do you mean? Like, but there's like what public washrooms that are available and you just pay to go in them, or is it like you go to a store and they're like, yeah, if you wanna,
No, no,
here we
no,
have that rule
no, no.
too.
Public
No,
washrooms, like they have public washrooms, and you gotta pay to use it.
oh, and you pay to go in them. Oh,
Yeah,
what the hell?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, because here we'll have like stores where they go. Oh, STAK has made a move too. I missed it.
STAK?
Uh, yeah, a little bit, nothing crazy. But I've been watching STKH and SDAK.
STAK
Here,
back up at
sometimes you hear the store
3 minutes.
like, "Oh, washrooms are for paying customers only."
Yeah,
That's
that.
almost the same difference, kind of thing, right?
Yeah, but this is public washroom, bro. You
This is
know?
different. Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's a little
Yeah,
different,
this is
but
crazy, bro. They have stalls and
yeah,
everything. Like,
charging for
you know
that.
how we go through the TTC, the subway station. There's like the in the old days that yeah they still have it. Like they don't have it like, but before there was like that little rotating arm thing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now
Yeah,
it's a gate.
this is like that for the washroom, bro. You gotta put in some money and then go.
Oh, what?
Yeah,
That's crazy. Like a toll booth.
yeah.
Yeah, now there's a gate for the TTC.
Here we go, STAK. I'm telling you guys, 9:30. I feel like this is ready to pump up. We're gonna get another nice little pump up. I see the squeeze coming in. You know, let me see what happens as we're approaching 9:30. This could be a nice little wick up here. Get some volume. We're up at 525 right now. Let's see if this can push up. I see the ticker tape starting to roll. And let's see what happens here. So this can flush down and we're
Yeah,
in
it's just
trouble.
under a minute. Under a
Or
minute.
it can really spike up. So I'm hoping it spikes up, but let's see. I could be wrong. And now it's getting very interesting here. we got? How many seconds? 30 seconds. Low money flow. Good luck, guys. Hope you hit your 150 target there, Bernie.
No money flow. Oh yeah.
Bernie, hope you hit your target, bro. Good
Let's
luck.
see. I want to see what pops off. Market is about to open.
Yep, we're about to rock and roll here. I'm
Yeah,
back in
5, 4,
NUWE. One more
3,
time.
2,
Let's go.
1.
Okay, here we go.
Market is open.
There's that spike up. There's that spike up. There's that spike up. I am out here at 445 on NUWE. We are out at 445. Sorry, 545 on NUWE. We got the spike. We are out. And that's part of the game, guys. You got to play gambling. Um, this is the kind of space we're in. You know, we are in and out quickly at 445. NUWE has been nothing but fantastic this morning. Congratulations.
STK is flushing. STKH also flushing.
What else are you watching here?
NUWE is
NUWE
still going.
just
Up to
keeps going.
580.
I keep leaving money on the table, but you know what? We're green for the day. It's okay. You know, look at this, running, right? I told you there was. I could see the squeeze coming in. It looked like a nice squeeze here on the 5 minute, and bada bing, bada boom. If you got in that with me, congratulations. If you stayed in there, you're printing cash right now. You're printing. Bada bing, bada boom. There's that $6. We had this play at 6 a.m. on our watch list this morning. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. NUWE. Let's fucking go. I just got to get better at holding them a little longer. But my God, if you got in there, congratulations, NUWE.
Yeah, good stuff, good stuff. Change this now. Okay.
So I'd be a little bit cautious here around the $6 level. Just watch it. We got a bunch of other things popping up on the scanner here. Looking at RAIN popping up. Not enough volume. Do you see anything there, Jose?
Just some leverage side. No ETFs. I wouldn't trade those.
Hitting ascending resistance line.
STK.
Hitting ascending resistance
These are
line.
bouncing.
Is it 08ZX10 RN? What are you hitting?
Wow.
Which you watching?
STKH made a bounce back. Crazy
STKH.
bounce. Yeah.
Thank you,
Drops.
sir. And UWE was a banger. Let's look at next one.
Holy.
STKH. Come on.
Regained everything. Touched 200 and then bounced all the way back up.
Ooh,
I'm
this
looking to go
this
more.
one looking interesting.
Holy.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, this one's flying now.
This one, what are you looking at? STKH?
Yeah.
STKH finding some resistance here, popping right through.
No, new high.
New high
Holy.
today, 484. Let's see if we can get some more push here on STKH.
I didn't get in on this, man.
Get in, bro. Get in.
What? No. It's chasing now.
I know. Now you got to watch it. Okay. What a move here. STKH 493. Can we get 5? 5, yes. 510. Oh my God. Who got STKH? My God. NUWE now coming back down, crashing. On the other screen, I have NUWE crashing. We got STKH moving.
hard now too.
Wow, 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 wow. Absolute craziness. I'm still trying to work on like executing multiple trades at once. It's just like too much to do. Maybe I could do two at once. Multiple. It'd be a little hard. You're looking at NCRA. Let's pop that up on the screen here for you. NCRA. Nocera. Watching NCRA, looking for a break of 245 with volume. Must hold 210 or will fade to 170. Okay. So NCRA now trading within my orb zone. 935 we just hit. So orb
STKH just pulled all the way back down at
SDKH back on
450.
the downside.
Yeah, pull back
NCRA
hard.
looking NCRA.
Holy moly! And that's why I don't chase.
Yeah, cannot chase.
Jeez, that's crazy. What a pullback.
Watching break of 245 with volume. Must hold 210. Okay, I see. You're looking for it to break above this. With volume. Okay. Good luck, bro. 08ZX1.
STKH. Jeez.
If the volume comes in, you should be okay. Let's see if this can crack back up. What are you looking at? STAK?
No, I
Stack?
was just watching STKH fail.
Oh, that fell. NUWE one more time. Let's see what happens NUWE. This was your potential bounce. So NUWE came down
Holy.
to make its orb
New high
low.
now. Wow.
Now we're looking at NUWE to crack above and hold above the orb level, which is at 622, and a higher day at 633. So I want to see this move up over orb, hold above orb at 622, and we can kind of see orb low sitting at $5.14. Okay, let's see if we can get some more push, get some volume coming in. Volume's looking pretty good here. Stack. 08ZX, are you bullish or bearish, trader? Are you a shorter? We have Bernie's
I think Stack needs to hold above 250 for another move and break. Yeah, I've been watching Stack and SDKH, but these things, Stack is kind of like
stack.
I lost interest in Stack basically because SDKH made the move, but then gave it all right back.
Bullish if it holds above 250. All right. Let's pull up stack real quick and see what's going on with stack.
Stack's getting beaten up. It's
NCRA
finding
on the
support
move.
here though.
Yeah.
Finding support like he's saying at 250 area.
Yeah. Let's see NCRA. What's he looking at on NCRA? NCRA now on the move. Yes, it just cracked above the orb. Can it stay above this 250 level? Looking okay. Needs to hold 250. And we see the 9 now kind of clipping here, coming in on the 1 minute chart. Can 9 cross the VWAP? I think you might be okay. This might be the little pullback for the enter here at
Then UWE
NC,
looking like it wants to move
NCRA.
more.
Needs a little bit of
Wick
volume
up
though.
and pulling back. Wow.
NCRA needs a little bit of volume for the push. NUWE still doing its thing.
CRA on the move, bullish a bit.
Well, but it's trading within the orb, so I don't know. I need to see this crack above 622 and hold. See NCRA again. So NCRA is peaking above. See if it can hold this 245 level. Could be interesting. So we got the 9 crossing the VWAP now on NCRA on the 1-minute chart. I need to see more volume come in. Volume is interesting. What do you see there, Jose?
I think I was watching NUWE. As it looks like it's trying to, it's holding 6.
NUWE, yeah. So NCRA, I would say, could be a move here, but it might be a little bit of a grind. But it looks like NCRA ready to make a little push. But I'm looking at the level 2 tape. It is not rocking and rolling, so I'm gonna stay away from that for now. NUWE also within the orb
All the
zone,
markets going
kind of
green again.
sideways right now.
Oh,
Market's
yeah.
moving. Nvidia up now 1%.
And Microsoft's up
Yeah, Microsoft's up
14% on the day.
14%. Wow, wow,
Crazy.
wow.
Yeah,
Microsoft was
that's
actually
massive.
on the
That's
watch list this
huge.
morning. We had Microsoft up on the
They had
watch list
earnings
this morning.
last night. That's why
Yes, yes.
they
Um,
spiked up from. They were down at 3.99 yesterday. No, they went as low as what is it? 3.89. They're the 451 high of day so far today.
yeah,
That's a great move.
we
Oh
had
yeah.
Microsoft above 430 trigger key
I'm gonna go to the
levels.
washroom. I'll be right back.
Yep, go for it. It's a good swing on Microsoft if you played that. I was up on the watch list this morning. I got NUWE here up on my scanner, on my main chart, sorry. Trying to see if it can crack out of this orb level. If it does, I would be bullish. Until then, just trading the range. STKH still struggling. NCRA cannot hold. Not enough level 2 movement for me to be interested at this point. FFAI you're looking at. FFAI, yeah, moving 497, 597 right now. FFAI actually looks good. It's holding above orb on both the 1 and the 5. This is looking pretty interesting. Maybe a push, a pullback towards VWAP. I might be interested. So I'll watch FFAI for now. I gotta see what the level 2 data looks like. FFAI level 2 data looks pretty good. INLF. I'm gonna watch FFAI a little bit here for a pullback towards VWAP for a potential entry potential. FFAI. Thing absolutely banger here on FFAI. There's the pushback. Let's see if it can come back towards VWAP or the 9 EMA on the 1-minute chart on FFAI. And UWE back towards 560. There goes FFAI coming back towards VWAP. I would like to see it touch VWAP Potential entry around $6 if it gets there. INLF, yes, moving too. I want to see this come down further before I get in, maybe. FFAI. And UWE down to 540. PN trading at $20. So here we go on FFAI. I'm looking for potential entry. Here's a push up on FFAI again. Just wicking here, finding good support around 610. I'm looking at NUWE again. I might be interested to jump back in, although it's within the orb, so I'm not going to play this yet. Maybe on the downside. Let's see. Wicked up to 640. Pretty crazy. Let me know what you guys are looking at in the chat. We got NUWE back up on the main chart. Looking for an opportunity. So I'm looking for NUWE to break out of this channel, either on the upside or the downside. Right now, there's no clear direction. It's kind of moving sideways. So I would like to see a push up out of orb high at 622 or a push down under 514. Until then, I'm not looking to enter yet. So I'm looking for some other entry. It looks like STKH back down towards $4. FFAI, as we're watching, down to $6 as well. Came back towards VWAP on the 1 minute. I think this has more downside. 592, can we get there? Looks like yes. If it doesn't hold this, we might see further downside on FFAI as well. Looking for the next move here. This morning just been kind of in and out on NUWE, the pre-market and regular hours leader this morning. Looking for the next entry here. It looks like FFAI wants to hold VWAP at this $6 level, but I'm not too confident it will. Let's see. If you're new here in the chat, let me know where you're from. Let me know what you're trading. What are you looking at? Happy to pull it up on the chart and we can go through it together. PN now trading at $22.19. HUTG also $21.92. Hut G and PN popping up on my scanners. Microsoft rocking and rolling, up 15.5% over 450 now. If you guys got into Microsoft, amazing. Up $60. MU making a push too, now up 11%. Meta struggling, down 8%. Stock market trying to make a little bit of a bounce after yesterday. So we got Nasdaq and S&P and the Dow all in the green slightly today. I got FFI AI on the screen. Not seeing much. We'll push it back to NUWE. Kind of seeing what's happening. Still within this channel. Not too excited to get into this at this point right now. Stack broke trend line. Okay, let's look at Stack. Stack was a nice short. If you guys got that short, yeah. You see, once it gets past this orb low, it's basically a short. You know, and if it gets above orb high and it can hold above, it's basically a long. You know, so right now this is struggling. This has come down to its low of day here at 223. It just touched. Now it's trying to come back. Pre-market low is at 220, 234. So this is really struggling. Stack is getting beaten up, and it looks like it might even come back to a previous day low, which is at $2.11. It's starting to come further and further down. So Stack's not looking too good. If you are a flip flop though, this is ideal for you. You know you're shorting it from $3 all the way down. Congratulations.
Remember, flip flop doesn't short after
Oh yeah,
open.
he doesn't. So no bueno.
No bueno. Opposite.
No good. Oh my god. So yeah, just watching and trying to look for another play here, guys. Let me know if you see anything. We can pop it up on the screen. I don't really see anything this second that I'm really interested in. Looking for a nice setup to
Ooh,
potentially get in.
CBRG. This has been climbing. No news.
Yo, 08ZX, what's your name, bro? What can we call you? Let us know what you're looking at, man. Bernie, did you make your 150 yet? What's good, bro? FFAI, INLF, did you trade any of those? Did you short them? What's going on, bro? Let us know in the chat what's going on. Let us know if you've hit your profit target for the day. Are you green? Are you red? Where are you struggling? Oh, the. I don't know what the means, bro.
What?
The like symbol, and then it says the. THE.
Where?
On the chat. You see the symbol? And then it says like the.
I don't know what you're talking about. In the chat?
Yeah, in the chat. In the chat.
I don't see any symbol.
Oh, you don't see symbols? I see symbols. Oh, maybe it's just me.
The only thing I see, like, I see the username. So, like, 08ZX
Oh, you don't see. He said.
10RNY.
Oh,
And then
Kev. I see it now.
one.
Oh, okay, I see it. I gotta scroll. Kev, you go by Kev. Got it. Okay.
No, but what are you seeing? I don't see what you see.
Oh,
Maybe
okay.
it's different for you because you're. Are you looking at it just regular? Or are you looking at the studio one, or like the moderator one?
I'm looking at the regular one. Plus 38.
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
Bernie, that's good, bro. You're about a quarter way there, man. Good stuff. Keep grinding, bro. Keep grinding. You're gonna short FFA, Bernie?
you seeing
Dang.
symbols? Are you smelling burnt toast?
Danger.
So short FFAI. I pulled up your INLF. It was looking kind of interesting because it was going up. It just has like no volume, which is what I said about MSS with what's it called, when Flip Flop mentioned it, and then it exploded. But then I
With
gave it
this
all back.
FFAI, but it's like it's not moving. I was watching that on
I'm
the
watching
level
FFI. I
2.
didn't look at as interesting as INLF.
You know,
INLF looked kind of interesting. It just has not
yeah.
a lot of volume.
Well, INLF
So
too.
as soon as they're kind of like INLF, yeah, but there's no news on it.
There's nothing going on here too. It's
But
kind of slow.
INLF has made a kind of a move today.
Yeah, it made a move. Crazy.
Wow,
How?
NTC all the way back up to the thing. Microsoft pulling back a bit. It already went up to 451.
But INLF, the
Really testing that
level
150
2
area.
is a little slow for me right now.
Amazon.
I'm gonna go back to NUWE. I don't really see much to trade, and
Not at
this
the
is
moment.
this.
There's nothing.
Yeah, this is just ranging within orb, so I'm not really interested there either.
Oh, DGNX is making a move.
DGNX.
Yeah, they just regained compliance with Nasdaq's minimum bid price requirement,
Oh, okay.
and
Look,
it's going now. There it
there it goes.
goes.
DGNX making a move here. Hey
Pulling
guys,
back
if you
there
guys are
now for
interested in
support.
trading with us, we have a live channel every day, Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern. Also, we have a free Discord. If you want to join the free Discord, just check us out at chartclub.io. Sign up for a free account. The Discord is completely free. Also, you get a free journal as well. So if you're journaling your trades, you want to track your progress, so on and so forth,
Oh,
sign up
this thing's going.
sign up for a free account, get the journal for free. Check us out. We're also building a platform, which I'll show you guys another time.
Oh,
But that's kind of what's happening on the back end. And wow, this was a nice little push here on DGNX, eh?
yeah, I just caught. I didn't trade it, but I just saw it moving. I
FFAI
catch
are
him
still cheap.
and I don't trade him, bro. Oh, what a pullback that was.
FFAI, he's trying to flip flop, trying to, what is it called? Short that, yeah?
Looks like they're both interested in shorting it.
This week, month, Monday plus 30, Tuesday minus 60, Wednesday plus 230, plus 38. You have more plus than negative, so you're okay, bro. Good stuff. Good work, Bernie. INLF making a push here. INLF making a nice little push. There goes INLF. Hey, Kev, you still in? Did you jump into INLF or not?
EGNI giving it back now.
Past 2 days. Oh, okay, got it, bro. Only watch past 2 days. Yeah, the ticker tape's a little slow for me in terms of the volume on the level 2. So I'm just watching it like you at this point.
Like a loss. Last week and only watched past 2 days, but nice short. But I need to know the pullback to 6.
DGNX, T up,
Oh yeah. Holy.
and
DGNI giving it
what
back
is
there.
this NBIL and NBIG? Oh, these are leveraged granite share. These are both leveraged ETFs.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah, ETFs.
yeah.
DGNI failing now.
Is it?
Find support here at 50. 180. Nope. Goes.
DGNX.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
All the way back down.
All the way back there. Okay, let's see if it can bounce off here, off this orb. There's the bounce. So let's see if it can get a nice little bounce off orb and we can see what happens. But you know, this 9 EMA coming down towards the VWAP on the 1 minute charts looking pretty bearish. And now it crossed right through orb. It's wicking. We got some buyers in this area trying to hold it. DGNX. Any news on this or not?
Yeah, I just regained compliance with Nasdaq's minimum bid requirement.
Not pulling much back, FFAI. Okay, we got some news on III. ISG to study banking technology and service providers. Nothing crazy there. So there you see that little bounce off the orb. What I was talking about. There's the bounce off orb. But this is what I'm concerned about. The 9 crossing the 20 the VWAP on the 1 on the downside. And I don't see enough volume here
NUWE
either.
flush.
NUWE.
Oh yeah.
NUWE.
Down to the down to 200 EMA.
Oh my God! Look at this. Look at this. That's why earlier I said I'm not gonna play this channel. It's got to cross up or on the downside. So now it's on the downside.
And it broke it.
Yeah, this is a downside trade now potentially. Short. I don't see any clear cut things to jump into right now.
I see a bunch of ETFs.
Let us know what you guys are watching in the chat. NUWE, what a flush, eh? Crazy. Bernie, wow. But it bounced here off the low of day at 475. Pre-market lows all the way down at 362 NUWE. Crazy. What? So it's looking okay though, but you could maybe, you know, if it comes back over this orb low level, I might be interested. Everything's kind of stale. I'm looking at INLF. It hasn't moved. The ticker tape's so slow on it. NUWE is just getting beaten up. Trying to find some support here though on the 200 on the 1, which is 50 on the 5. Jose, you see anything, bro?
Nothing.
Quiet.
Watching. There's a couple things, but there's not a volume in them. Long is on my daily scanner at IBKR, but a million volume. As I say that, it goes up like another couple pennies, but slow grinder with no volume. 500,000 volume.
Crazy. Well, let's see what happens here.
Oh, XRX, Xerox Holding Corporations. They have an earnings report today. They're starting to go up. They have a high so far today of 378. Looks like it's starting to grind back up to it right now, riding the 9 EMA. So this has ranged to 378 right now and sitting at 359.50.
Which one?
XRX.
XRX. NUWE here on the downside. XRX you're looking at?
Yeah.
Xerox. Damn. You know, back when everybody had Xerox printers? Look at this now. Crazy.
Hey, INLF. Why? What did it do? What the hell wasn't I loading? There it is. Oh, it's starting to break.
Which
It
INLF?
hit 550. Holy moly. But instantly started going down.
FFI is looking good here. It's losing its volume and fading. We will see if it holds up when it gets there.
I
Xerox,
like it.
okay.
INLF, it doesn't have enough volume. It average for the past 30 days is 4.2 mil. Where right now it's holding only 207 on the day.
INLF is
Not
kind
that
of low.
liquid.
Yeah. INLF moving average volume, MA, not much. It's slowly grinding up, don't get me wrong.
Somebody is pushing this up.
Yep.
There's only 207,000 shares. That's, yeah. Somebody's pushing this up. Almost 208.
32.
Ooh, flip flop. You gonna short? You gonna short this? There goes INLF. This is what you want, no?
And
559, 560.
yeah,
Saying you hate it, but now it's going.
it's going,
Holy
bro.
moly.
How is it moving
You
though?
just had to talk about it. We had to talk about it a little bit, you know?
Did he get in? Kev, you get in? INLF?
As soon as we have it on the screen, or as soon as I've been talking about it and I have it on my screen,
Oh, I had it on the
I
screen
see
for
this
like a
thing.
second.
Now this thing is going.
Then it moved, you know. I was talking shit about it and then it moved, you know.
FFAI, I think 5.9 to 6 is a
It's a
nice
nice
short
short.
starter
Oh,
position.
wasn't watching it. Ah, bro, you called it, then you left it, bro. It moved for you. You called it earlier, but then I guess you stopped watching it and it moved. But it slowly grinded it way up.
Oh, that's a nice candle.
And UWE still leading the day. We got, what's this popping up on the scanner? CYCU.
Oh, that's been on the scanner.
Psychurion, but it's cheap, 47-cent stock.
Oh, it beat its high. Okay, that's why. It was I knew it was gonna regain its high. I just didn't know when because you can see it slow grinded back up to it, and now it passed it, and now made a
Yeah.
new high. But we're talking like 15 cents, which is still good, you know. Money's money. Green is green. I just wasn't trying to watch that when there could be something else making a crazier move. That's why I like cycling through everything. Like CBRG. CBRG made a great move. Now it's starting to curl back down. Might bounce here on the 20.
Okay, let's see. The INLF looking to push here for another high a day. It's testing high a day here. INLF. There it goes. INLF just broke high a day, pushing again. 567. This is slowly grinding up. Kev, this was your play, bro. You called it. There it goes. It just cracked it again. 573 high day INLF. Looking for more. Why is this thing popping up here?
NLF is a bitch spiking and selling off harder for me.
Not
Selling off
tradable.
hard for me, not tradable.
Yeah, I couldn't trade this either. I didn't get in. I think this was an entry here around this $5 level. If you could have got in, it found some support there and then it cracked up. Kudos to you if you could have got in there. But I feel like it's going to spike down here now. It's ready to come back down. Probably come back down to the 544 level, 9 EMA on the one. Oh, 2 days ago it got to $8. Crazy. I don't know if I traded this or not. I can't remember. I have to go back.
Man.
What are
Ugh.
they? What are they? It's spiked down here. Lots of buyers here in the left finding support at the 9 EMA. Shot right back up. It's finding support here. 550, 544 level.
On the left 2 days ago, it got to $8. What? I think that was. Is that the one that we were talking about? We must have been covering it. Yeah, we would have covered it
Team
for
has
sure.
breaking news.
It got to 8 and then gave it all back.
There goes INLF finding support here at the 9. Man, this doesn't look too good. What's going on with NUWE? Things have kind of died off here for us. I did trade this multiple times today. This really just
FFAI.
shut.
FFAI is going up.
FFAI, quick Faraday futures.
What now? It's time to go back down.
See if this FFAI, what we can do here on FFAI.
UICU making a move now. Up to 54. nothing crazy, I guess. A lot of leverage.
Okay, so I got
Yeah.
FFAI on this. Let's see if this FFAI can hold VWAP here for a push, and but I just don't see enough. It's got some ticker tape level 2 coming in, but the volume's kind of low here. Yeah, MU is up huge today. Also, Microsoft, bro. Microsoft's up 14, almost 15%. Both of those are running the show.
No, big
And
stocks.
and, and Microsoft, sorry, Meta is down 9% today. So on the the bigger side of things, is crazy.
Ooh, INTC's back up too.
FFAI just crushing through on the downside.
Everything's green day today.
Well, Apple's
That's
down now.
crazy.
Google is down. Google and Apple both down. Apple down
I didn't
2%.
see it.
Google down about just 1.3%. But yeah, Microsoft having a banger of a day.
Yeah,
We see
Microsoft's definitely
FFAI,
the best one.
FFAI coming down heavy. So there we can quickly take a look at the heat map here. Nvidia having a nice little day too, plus 3%. AVGO up 4.15%. AMD and Intel also rocking and rolling, 13% on AMD and 12% up on Intel. So very good. It's a lot of bounces. Dell also up 9.5%. Yeah, FFAI no good, bro.
Yeah,
I could tell by
Microsoft
the
too.
volume.
Yeah,
The
way
volume
too
was in
much
there,
in
so
FFA shit. Death Candle and FFAI.
yeah. Amazon with a nice 5% up for the day. So if you guys played some swings on some of these
Oh
larger
wow!
caps, there's lots of good stuff happening over there. Quick
I'm gonna
check
assume
here.
that halted on the downside.
DFNS down, halted.
Is that not halted?
Yeah, DFNS halted. Yeah.
What? No, I'm talking about FFAI.
FFAI, I don't see it halted on my scanner yet.
I feel like it's about to halt.
I think you're probably right, but it's not halted yet. No, it's still going.
What?
Yeah, yeah, that was a massive death candle. What's going on with our friend NUWE? We made some money with you today, and now it's no good. No bueno now.
Yeah, that thing's done. No, I think all the ones we were watching is dying off.
What happened to
XRX is holding this still grinder.
XRX in that channel within orb? I believe last time we checked. Yes, still in that orb channel.
It's just holding. I don't know if it's on your orb thing, but it's above everything on my screen. Above all
Yeah,
the EMAs, above
it's all.
VWAP,
Yeah,
above
it's up.
everything.
It's up all above all the EMAs, but it's still within this channel, the green and the red. So
Oh, because you have a high. Yeah, the high is at 378. So that's what I wouldn't. That's what I would aim for
yeah.
a range.
So it has the orb high happens to be the high day as well. You see the high day is
That's
378.
what I'm telling you. Like your
Yeah,
orb is the high of day, so that's 378.
correct. Yeah,
I just said that. So what I'm saying is that would be the range to aim for.
above
To trade
378.
after 378,
Yeah,
to buy it after 378, that's Ross's style of trading. Breakouts.
yeah.
I wouldn't.
Those
I don't know
breakouts.
because then I don't know where the high is.
Yeah,
I aim for ranges.
yeah. You could play this orb range. So this orb range you could have played.
No trade is better than losing trade. 100% agree.
Yeah, 100% Bernie. You are correct. Right now, we didn't see any options after open to actually really get in. There were, I guess, there were a couple. We missed them. FFAI was a little bit there. INLF was a little bit there. But they didn't hold up. Volume kind of wasn't really there. So things have faded. Actually, a lot of the bigger stocks, the large caps, the mega caps, those are doing good today. So if you swung those, good stuff. Are you guys swinging any trades too? Any mega caps? Do you guys do those? Large caps? Or are you just day trading the small caps here? I don't see much else, bro. What's going on with our friend SpaceX? Is that still down? I'm gonna quickly
Well,
have a
it's
look.
gone up today.
Is it?
I think it went down to like 111 or something, right?
Oh
Sorry,
yeah.
so it's 116, 117 right now.
Okay, yeah, yeah. 116, 117, yeah. It's another nice
Yeah,
little
everything had a pretty good day today, except for what
yeah.
you said. Google, Netflix, gas has come down a bit.
Oil came down a bit.
USL did, yeah.
Yeah, overall pretty good day, I would say in the markets. Let's see XRX here. We were watching this your stock earlier. Apple having a down
Stack
day.
is building. I was
Stack.
watching Stack. It looked like it died off.
Yeah, it's building up
Oh
again.
yeah, it's building back up again.
I would like to see Stack cross over this orb here at 269 and hold above. Then I might be interested. But then you got some resistance here at VWAP at 279 as well. And previous day highs at 278. And let's see if there's enough. There's not that much volume either. So Bernie, I don't know, bro. I don't think there's enough volume unless I see more volume, and I would like to see it come above this orb level, and you can maybe trade the range. So you got about a maybe 10-cent move to VWAP, and then you can also, if it crosses above VWAP and holds, you're looking at from 269 to about $3, 30-cent move. Is it worth the risk? That's up for you to gauge potentially, but not enough volume again. We're at 1022 this morning. Wow. 800 billion wiped out from the US stock market in the first 3 hours of trading today. What the crazy.
Even 800 billion wiped out.
I guess people had, like shorts or, so liquidated.
It was like the morning went by fast. Right? I'm not gonna lie, I agree with you there. Even
Yeah.
though it wasn't like anything crazy, crazy moving,
Yeah.
yeah, it went by pretty fast today.
It goes by fast. I find this, doing the stream now from 7 to 11 at the morning just flies by.
It's super slow. The first like hour and a half is pretty slow.
Yeah, it was slow, but like just having someone to talk to and just look at things.
Yeah, that's what makes it so much better too.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
just next
definitely.
thing you know, it's like, and it kind of keeps you there, right, locked in, because otherwise, like doing this on your own, bro, it's boring to be honest. Sometimes if it's a slow day, I just leave because I'm like, there's nothing going on.
Me, when I'm doing this by myself, if there's nothing happening, you know what I have?
What?
I'll usually be in my Discord. I'll be
Yeah,
if somebody's on there, then great. But if I'm bored, I usually have up like Bet365, just
you're
mess around with
gambling.
that a little bit. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I got
Gamble
you.
in one place, gotta gamble in another if I'm not doing it.
Find the next casino. Yeah. Hey,
I like my craps, man.
I feel you.
Trying to perfect a nice strategy for craps. I made a nice simulator for my craps game so I can like,
Yeah,
test my strategies as well.
what's going on? Thing is so slow sometimes. Trading view. It's got a nice little trend line though. Eh?
Four?
NUWE.
I mean,
Came all
trend
the
line.
way.
It broke the trend line.
This, yeah, it broke the trend line slightly, but now it's bouncing off this. What is this? Lower day. 420 area. Just nothing else right now to trade on the small cap side of things. Let us know what you're looking at. What are you guys trading this morning?
Oh man. If you like your time here, make sure you like and subscribe. We're here at 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Monday to Friday. Trying to make this money. Oh, man, I wanted to start the stream today because
Huh?
I wanted to test that song.
Oh, let's do it
That
tomorrow,
song
bro.
was jamming, bro.
Tomorrow we'll do it
That's why
for Friday.
I put it
Tomorrow we'll do it for.
in the chat too. You can
Yeah,
download it.
yeah, I know. I
You know,
did. I did download it.
yeah.
Yeah, I forgot
That
this one.
song, man, I love that song.
Okay, we'll put it on
I showed
tomorrow.
it to a couple of friends. They're like, "Yo, that's actually pretty good." I'm like,
We'll
the
do it.
best part is it didn't even change the way I wrote the words, right? It
Oh,
didn't even
okay.
change the layout. It sings it exactly the way I wrote
That's
it
hilarious.
and made it work. Like, shout out to Flip Flop for that software. That AI is sick, man. That was dope.
Yeah, we can run it
I'm so
tomorrow,
happy
bro.
with that song. Yeah, yeah. That song is so good.
But we gotta start like. Mm, let's meet at.
Yeah, you started it too early too.
No. But let's meet
Started
up
way too early.
at like 6:30 in the room tomorrow. You know, or going forward.
Yeah, yeah.
Try to meet up a little earlier. You know, so
I
just
didn't even
make.
see you in the chat. That's why. Usually you're in there. You weren't even in
Yeah,
there.
I think I forgot to jump in. My bad.
No,
I was
you're
like,
good. If I see you in there, then I jump in there. You know, if I don't see
okay,
you in there,
okay.
then I get ready and do my own thing.
I got you. Okay. Yeah.
But then
Well.
I saw you started the stream at 2:40. I'm like, what?
Yeah. No.
But
I
then
wanna.
you
I.
didn't set the
I.
timer either.
I couldn't. I was. It wasn't. Like it was starting, but it wasn't showing for some reason. It was like, and then I couldn't mess around with the source because I already started. It was like a whole to start. It's like a whole thing, man.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh man, I'm still getting used to streaming and doing all this, but it's okay. We'll get
How
it.
long
Yeah.
have I been? I think I've been streaming since like 2021. I
Mm.
started streaming.
Oh, you're OG in the
Like,
space.
I want to say OG, but I've definitely experience in
Yeah.
this industry for sure.
Right.
Running software and editing scenes and making overlays
Hmm.
and stuff.
Let's see what NUWE does here, guys. Should I get greedy and try for one more? I don't know. We'll see. I love seeing the overall trading. Yeah, sub $1 for the flop. I love seeing the overall trading community just grow. It's nice to see more people getting into this space, trying to trade. I like that. Yeah, this is sub. If I play sub $1 stocks, I'm usually looking around 80 cents personally, because then I'm like, okay, maybe it'll get closer to a dollar pop. That's what I'm interested. But this is a little way too low for me. I don't really see much right now. NCRA is dead. INLF also dead. FFAI also dead.
Wow, it
So
is moving. SNDK, like way out of our price, right?
yeah, this is
SNDK, like
SNDK is
crazy.
it's good for swings.
Yeah,
Got
yeah, swing.
the bigger,
But like,
this is something I put
holy,
in 20 30K and swing it, sure, this is a different story, but I'm not putting
this is at 1,000
yeah,
to
that's fine.
start, basically. That's
That's fine.
crazy.
That's okay. For my swing trading portfolio, that's okay.
But no, no, I'm saying this was a great move today. It was at a
Oh yeah,
thousand. It's at 1252 right now.
crazy. 25% move if that's the
That's
case,
insane. It's at 23.25 right now.
Yeah,
That's great on the day.
crazy. It closed previous yesterday at 1,015 and now right back to 1257. Wild. Wild, bro. Crazy, right?
Insane. INTC is up even more. Microsoft's holding.
In Canada, BHC is the big mover. BHC today on Canada?
Sorry?
You're saying in Canada, BHC is the
BHC. I was seeing. We have there's an American one too. Bausch Health Companies. It's on the NYSE.
see.
The big mover. I'll post a chart in Discord. Let me see this.
Sounds good, man. We got about 28
Oh,
minutes
that's on the
left in the chart.
TSX. Wow.
Yeah, the TSX.
Yeah, I'm looking at the NYSE. Same exact chart, but American. Where it was, let me see, on the day at 483 up to 594 right now. That move is basically the same. Almost like a $2 move. Oh, this is $1.27 from the. Oh, this would have been based off of yesterday. That's dollar. True. You think it even out though with conversion? Probably, yeah. What do you think? What do you think the difference? There is no manipulation. It's just straight up. Yeah. It increased its cash from operations and it reduced its net debt. That's why it's up today. Oh, it released this news last night. That's why. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. But it's just popping off now. It's kind of weird. Wonder why it does that. I have to look through all A lot of these small caps with near 5 million equity could see more nice pop-ups in some of them to avoid being delisted. Yeah, that's like what's the one? DGNX. That one popped off because it just regained compliance.
Which is that? DGNX?
He's talking about like stocks in general that are
Oh,
5 million.
oh, I
New
see.
5 million equity rule.
DFNS here, man.
I don't know that was a thing. That's when did that come out? To stay listed, they have to keep a 5 million market cap or something, or what?
Which one?
5 million equity, sorry, in equity, not market cap.
Crazy.
It's like if they don't have enough money to survive, then they shouldn't be on. They shouldn't be listed. A few days ago, maybe last week. 723, I believe. Oh wait, I have to look through a lot of these small caps. Oh, that was okay. Oh, okay. From this bird getting too big. Yeah. BHC, BHC is starting to pull back now. 5 minute, yeah, on the 5 minute as well. It's that range. Anyway, already passed. I have to close above 5 million. If they stay below 5 million, 30 days they can be delisted. So I'm expecting pops up on quite a few of them to regain compliance. Yeah, that makes sense from the way I read it. Yeah, I didn't know that came out as a rule. It's for your guys from our first. Okay,
What are you looking at now?
no
Nothing.
range on that. I was watching PhD.
Yeah, I don't see much right now. Back on NUWE here. This is struggling. I should see this on the day trading chart.
And everything's starting to fade now.
Yeah, nothing good. Yeah, everything's trying to. Anyways, for those who did join today, thank you. Appreciate you tuning in. Hopefully, you guys caught some trades. Hopefully, it's a green day for you. If it's on the
I
upside
found
or the downside.
30 days to pop up, pop and drop. Yeah, true. That's some good information.
Yep.
So that's something that you could add to your scanner.
What's that?
Looking for stocks that have equity in and around the range of 5 million.
Interesting. But this is for TSX specifically.
What? No, this is for uh, TSX is for flip flop. We're talking about Kev.
I see. I got you. That's interesting.
CCOIS breaking news.
Got some news here on CCOI. Sue Wall Street reminds shareholders of lead plaintiff deadline. So nothing crazy. Also, though, it has a lot of volume, though. Why? Price 12.77. CCOI. Got 20 minutes left here. GLGG popping up on the scanner now. Oh, this is a leverage long ETF. No, thank you. Galaxy.
Yeah, that's like basically all I see on my scanner. A bunch of leverage stock.
Yeah, not much going on.
1, 2, 3,
Pretty slow.
4,
Pretty slow
5.
right now. I did
It's a
that
little
already
low.
on TradingView. I'm watching some of those Chinese runners from last week, like ZCMT. They're sitting at 3 offering could close and have a CTB around 600%. Wow.
EISI has breaking news. JVA has breaking news.
Someone using YT live scanner? No.
No, I've never used that. How does that work? 5th year
Happy
anniversary.
5th year anniversary. What?
That's hilarious. Someone using YouTube. No, where?
Wait.
YouTube has a
No.
live scanner? I didn't know they have a live scanner. They have a live scanner? Oh, you're talking about those you're talking about those the small cap scanners that are on YouTube. I know what you're talking about. I don't use those. I have a paid one. I use Charts Watcher, paid scanner. But
5th
YouTube,
year anniversary. We'll
I
see.
I used to use. Can't hear anything he's saying. I think that's on your side, bro. Colin. Yeah, Zendu. Zendu. Yeah, I used to use
Yes,
Zendu.
Colin?
Zendu's okay. There's a few other ones as well. I used to use them.
Say what? Did I start? I'm thinking like maybe I started streaming 5 years ago. It's something like that. Around this time, I think. Stark Rock is also very fast. Stock Rocks? I haven't heard of that one. Use IBQR scanner is very fast and for free. Yeah. I have a Trade Zero scanner. Stock Rocks and the Arcane monitor, very fast. That's fair, just like my identity, I chose not to listen.
What's he say?
Oh, man. Colin always coming in with the jokes.
Mr. Colin. Good morning.
Going on, Colin?
Good morning. Good morning.
Oh, I don't even think he can hear.
Oh, his volume's down.
Maybe? Stock Rocks. Stocks Rocks.
Stocks. Oh yeah, Stocks Rock's the other one. Yeah, I used to use those, bro. Arcane monitor is very good. Arcane though, you can also pay for their monitor. Yeah, I think it's like 20, $30 a month. They have some beta. I was thinking about testing it out, but right now I'm using Charts Watcher. It's been pretty good. Things you gotta do, scanners, this, that. Jeez. We got about 14 minutes left. I don't really see anything else this morning. It was
What's
pretty
the rule
good.
with
We had some action this morning, but right now it's pretty quiet. Jose, you got anything else?
not just reading what Kev wrote here? Nasdaq US is appealing delisting combination to the downside of state politics period. Bro, when did this go into order exactly?
What's that?
Uh, New rule, $5 million equity rule. I'm gonna Google this. Oh, this came into effect on the 22nd.
Oh, just recently.
Yeah,
That's good to know, bro. So, how are you trading that? Like, what's kind of your edge or your strategy around that specifically?
you said it already. You'll see it when it like starts like getting close to the lower. It'll pop off, and it'll pop off trying to hold compliance to try and hold compliance because it has to do it for 30 days.
Interesting. I'll have to read into it a little bit more to understand.
For companies already trading below the $5 million threshold, the 30 consecutive business day countdown toward immediate delisting began on the day of approval. So from the 22nd,
Yeah,
they have 30. They have to have a equity of 5 million or above for 30 consecutive business days, or they risk being delisted. Because they can still go to there's a panel that they can go and talk to see if they can get like an appeal kind of thing or an extension or whatever the case may be. And then if they get approved, then great, then they'll continue. If they get denied, then delisted. Bye bye.
hmm
Don't you trap a lot of traders? Oh yeah, it's gonna be good for shorting. Are you guys trading after hours? I trade pre-market. I like
just
to trade
pre-market, bro.
pre-market.
I'm not trying to be at the charts all day. Gotta live life too. You know,
Yeah,
so
I have a
and
wife and kid. I try my
yeah,
best not to be on the
yeah.
computer after.
I try to,
Do my
7,
best.
yeah, 7 a.m., 11, in and out. That's it. I do trade crypto too, though, but that's usually on the weekends, maybe Friday nights, something like that. You know. But I also do more long-term swings, swing trades. I usually do my studies or research on the weekends for that, and then see if there's potential swing opportunities. Typically swings, mid cap, large cap, mega caps, that kind of stuff. Looking for more fundamental moves versus
April.
technical
We're going to deep
moves.
dive this. This could create real desperate trades to exploit. I'm all over it now. This is a great find for me. Thank you. Yeah, legit, man. Telling you, that's great information.
Yeah, that's good. Come check us out on our free Discord, guys, and we can share some more ideas outside of the stream. If you guys want, sign up for the Discord at chartclub.io, and then you can see us inside. We can share some ideas. What else you guys are looking for? Realistically, we're just trying to create a space where we can all share information and make money and become more and more profitable. So yeah,
So,
GCTK back to resistance in the 50-55 cents area. If that breaks, I'm looking for 65.70. Cool. Took a position at 34 cents. Nice. Good luck there, Kev. Hopefully that works out for you.
CTK. Watching that
Yep.
for too, right?
Yep.
Did you get in on BHC flip flop? Or are you still just watching it?
$10.52. And UWE back to 417. DFNS holding at $82. What a day, huh? Interesting
Yeah.
morning. Interesting morning.
GVH is starting to make a move right now. GVH just came down to the 20 and bounced instantly. Low trail, low volume, it's for it to just explode. Good move.
All right. I think that's basically it here. I don't got much going on. Not seeing anything in the charts. Appreciate you guys tuning in this morning. We'll be back tomorrow. We should have a nice opening song. Stay tuned for that tomorrow morning. We have Jose with his tune that he created. So we'll be playing that live tomorrow, 7 a.m. Catch us then. Stay profitable. Check us out on the Discord. It is free, and we'll continue the conversation. Yeah. So quick thing here, Kev. So when you go to chartclub.io, you sign up for an account, and once you sign up for an account, you'll get a thing pop up, and it says connect Discord. You connect your Discord, and that's it. We're doing things a little bit different here, and so the website is actually connected to Discord, and long-term vision is as you engage or put trade ideas and things like that through Discord or Chart Club, they talk to each other, and you'll gain experience points, so on and so forth. And the even more long-term vision is those experience points will be tied to actual tokens, which you can then buy, sell, trade, whatever you have to. That will be actually worth real utility. So that's kind of the long-term vision. But when you sign up, it does give you access to both the platform that we're building, but in the Discord channel. So check us out, and you'll kind of see what exactly we're building on the back end side of things. Cool. That's it for me. Jose, you got anything?
No, that's everything. Back tomorrow, 7 a.m. Thank you everybody for being here. Welcome again to Kev. Appreciate you coming and chatting with us.
And sharing us some
Hopefully we
good
see you
info
again
too.
tomorrow.
Yeah,
Yeah, literally sharing like some great information.
some
So
nuggets, bro.
hopefully we see you
Appreciate
again
it.
tomorrow.
And Bernie, you too, guys.
Yeah,
Appreciate you.
Bernie,
Thanks for coming in all the way
Flip
from
Flop.
Switzerland. Yes.
Always great to see you guys. Nice to see that we're getting people from all over the world too. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
cool. Switzerland,
All
got
right.
from
Have a good
Canada,
one.
from States, but yeah. All right,
Enjoy
see you
the
tomorrow.
rest of your
Have a good one.
peace. Long Island. Okay, perfect. Have a good one. Peace.